As part of building an HOV system on I-5 through Tacoma, WSDOT has been doing some major construction in the area over the last few years. We're about to begin a new construction phase that will affect eastbound SR16 traffic. For several months, from April 2018 through fall 2018, the ramp seen here, which connects eastbound SR16 to northbound I-5 in Tacoma, will be reduced to one lane while crews build a new section of I-5. In the past, this restriction has caused delays on the ramp from eastbound SR16, and rather than staying in the SR16 ramp backup, we wanted to give drivers another option. From SR16, take the exit to I-5 North. Once you're on the exit, stay to the right. You will go around the curve and up a hill. When it is safe to do so, merge over to the far right lane. From here, you will take the exit to southbound SR7. Exit to the right. When this ramp merges with SR7, move over one lane to the left. Stay in this lane and drive up the hill toward 38th Street East. At the top of the hill where the freeway ends, the road loops to the right and merges with 38th Street. Stay to the right on 38th Street. Now take the freeway entrance ramp to your right. This ramp loops around to northbound SR7. On SR7, you can either stay to the left and go into downtown Tacoma, or merge to the right and proceed to northbound I-5. This option does require several lane changes, so exercise due caution. Remember, safety always comes first. Thank you for watching this video, and thank you for your patience during this construction. We are working as quickly as we can to improve the highways for you. For more information about the HOV system being built on I-5 through Tacoma, please visit our webpage.